Current situation, the other day I had a poll on Instagram and the poll was asking, should I keep my hair the same? Should I do a flat top mullet? Should I do a buzz cut? Or should I do a Viking undercut? And as you can tell from the thumbnail, we're gonna be doing a Viking undercut today. It's gonna be a modified version. And also, oh, actually, I was a little disappointed the fact that we're not doing a flat top mullet, but perhaps we'll do that later on down the road. Today I'm also going to be trying out this Odinson stone shaver. So yeah, let's get into it. And now there's no going back. All right, so here we are. We have the sides done, going right here, going right here. And then I did the cheek lines as well. And then I'll do a 360 to show you what it looks like. Given that this is what we are now working with, which I don't think is too bad, should we next do an actual Viking undercut and go all the way up? Should we do a flat top mullet? Should we do a regular mullet? Or should we stop with all this nonsense and finally get into a buzz cut? Let us know in the comment section below. Till the next one, peace! We out.